Welcome back. The 2026 Genesis VG80 and VG80 Coupe are updated luxury SUVs with athletic styling, a distinctive grille, and advanced technology. The standard VG80 offers a choice of a 300 HP 4-cylinder or a 375 HP V6, while the VG80 Coupe offers sporty styling, a 409 HP 3.5 LE supercharged V6, and a luxurious cabin with a 27-inch screen. The Genesis VG80 competes against much costlier models yet matches or exceeds them in luxury appointments and the number of features. Granted, it comes standard with a turbocharged 4 rather than a 6 or 8-cylinder, but a punchy twin-turbo V6 is on offer, and it provides enough muscle to satisfy most luxury SUV shoppers. It's inside, though, that the VG80 stands out. The cabin is plush, elegant, and modern, with clean lines and a 27.0-inch screen that sweeps across most of the dashboard and displays both the gauges and the infotainment interface. 5 seats are standard, though several trims now including some 2.5T models offer an additional 2 kid-size seats in the way back. 2026 Genesis VG80 Standard SUV, Design and Utility. A premium midsize SUV featuring a distinctive logo grille, dual LED headlights, and high functionality with seating for up to 7 passengers. Performance. Available with a 2.5L turbocharged engine 308 PS and the 3.5L twin turbocharged V6 375 PS. All-wheel drive and adaptive suspension are available for optimal comfort. Interior. The cabin features premium materials, leather upholstery, and advanced technology. 2026 Genesis VG80 Coupe. Design. A sharper, more dynamic fast tech-style SUV. Features 22-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust tips, and a panoramic sunroof. Performance. Powered by a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 engine with a 48V supercharger producing 409 horsepower. Delivering quick acceleration 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds and smooth response. Interior and features. Focus on sporty luxury with quilted Napa leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and the 27-inch panoramic display that integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Special variants. Available in prestige black trim with all black exterior and interior details. Front view. Features a dual-layer crest grille with a more aggressive double G matrix pattern, flanked by thin, two-line micro-lens array male headlights. The hood features bold curves, accented by dark chrome. Side view. Features a fast-tech silhouette with a roofline that slopes sharply to the rear. 22-inch alloy wheels with a special two-tone or dark design, as well as automatic folding mirrors with puddle lamps. Rear appearance. The body-integrated spoiler, dual horizontal striped taillights, and the lack of a rear wiper create a clean, futuristic look. Special features. Some models feature a roof spoiler, dual striped taillights, and a sporty Genesis emblem. The prestige black variant offers all black details, including the logo, grille, and brake calipers. Interior, comfort, and cargo. First row. The VG80's cabin is first class, highly stylish, and swathed in top-grade materials. Even the lower trims boast posh features like burled wood trim, metal brightwork, and the brand's mood curator, which adjusts the lighting, sound, and scent of the cabin to match the driver's selected mood. The 27.0-inch dash display looks clean and contemporary. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, and the driver's chair is available with a massage function. Second row. All trims come with a 3-across bench for the second row. Legroom is plentiful back there. Third row. A third row of seats is available on the Squara back VG80, but space is too tight for a. The interior of the 2026 Genesis VG80 Coupe highlights sophisticated luxury with a 27-inch panoramic hold display that unifies the instrument cluster and infotainment system, creating a clean, horizontal display. The design focuses on sporty comfort with racing seats, premium materials like leather and metal/carbon accents, and a crystal shift-by-wire display technology. A 27-inch old touchscreen integrated into the dashboard is easier to reach than the previous model. Center console and controls. A redesigned shift-by-wire XWA crystal display, touch-sensitive climate control panel, and high-quality materials throughout the cabin. Seats and space. A special two-row seating configuration. Two-row emphasizes a sporty feel, with generous rear legroom 38.7 inches. Roof. Available with a large panoramic sunroof. Special accents. Exclusive trim options such as carbon fiber and darker interior details on the Prestige trim. Cargo capacity. The VG80 has a lot of storage space. We fit 13 carry-on suitcases behind the Square back model second row and 28 behind the first, with the optional third row in place. Though, cargo capacity behind the rear seat shrinks to a mere 11.6 cubic feet. We fit 9 carry-ons in the Coupe's cargo bay and a total of 27 with the rear seats folded. Overall, the interior combines high-tech functionality with a sporty yet luxurious cabin ambience, setting it apart from the standard SUV version. Genesis combines the VG80's infotainment screen and gauge cluster into one 27.0-inch OLED display perched atop a sleek and simple dashboard. Every VG80 also comes with wireless smartphone charging, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. Genesis provides one of the most generous standard safety suites in the class. Every VG80 gets blind spot monitoring, front and rear parking sensors, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control with a hands-free driving mode. Standard safety features: adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring. Optional safety features: blind spot monitor, side parking sensors, 360-degree camera system.
The 2025-2026 Genesis GV80 Coupe offers a blend of high-end luxury and intense sportiness, targeting competitors like the BMW X6. The interior features advanced technology and premium materials, while the trunk remains functional despite the sloping roofline. The interior of the GV80 Coupe is designed with the driver in mind, featuring exclusive elements that differentiate it from the standard GV80 27-inch panoramic display. The dashboard centerpiece is a 27-inch OLED display that integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Exclusive materials: Napa leather with contrasting red diamond quilted stitching, carbon fiber accents on the dashboard and door trim, and metal pedals. D-cut steering wheel: a sporty two-tone D-cut steering wheel is standard. Bucket seats: Coupe-specific bucket seats provide enhanced support during dynamic driving. D-cut steering wheel: a sporty two-tone D-cut steering wheel is standard. Bucket seats: Coupe-specific bucket seats provide enhanced support during dynamic driving. Technology and comfort: crystal-cut shift-by-wire, SBW, a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, and ambient lighting. Special edition: a black interior option. Black Prestige emphasizes luxury through dark materials and precise details. Despite its sloping roofline, the GV80 Coupe still offers practical cargo capacity. Main capacity: the trunk capacity is approximately 644 liters. With seats folded, when the rear seats are folded, capacity increases to approximately 1,033 liters, up to 60 cubic feet, approximately 1,700 liters. Practical features: equipped with a power opening trunk and a trunk package. Pros: compared to its competitors, the GV80 Coupe has excellent trunk width, reaching approximately 50 inches, wider than the BMW X6. Overall, the GV80 Coupe combines the comfort of a classy Bentley cabin with the versatile utility of an SUV.